YouTubers, I'm Ellie Fraser and today I'll be doing an acrylic pour with you guys. I'm showing you a method that I've used a couple of times, the ring pour, and I'll be doing 2 or 3 cups of it, so two or three different sections, and I've got a 20 by 40 centimetre, I think that's what this is, canvas, pins in the corners there. I will put, I think I'm going to put a cup underneath one side so it just runs down. So we're going to get ahead and start going. Okay, I'm going to start by pouring in the colours first. I've chosen blue, turquoise and a metallic brown. So this is the metallic blue. It's like a nice dark, pretty blue, so I'll pour that in here. Going in with the metallic bronze. That should be enough. And then the turquoise. I'm going to keep laying those colours on until the cup's semi-full. Alright, so I've got that ready now. I'm going to go in and put, this is like a sky blue acrylic paint here. Obviously this is an old canvas, but I'm just going to go over and pour this all over it. And using my sponge, which I found to be the most handiest to spread all this paint over the canvas without leaving any, what do you say, finger marks or marks in the paint, so it's a nice even spread out. So I'm going to place this cup under one side of the canvas so it tilts down by itself. Going ahead, I'm using paper cups today. I'm finding with the ring pours, using a paper cup, you can like squeeze it and it pours out nicer. So I'm just going to go out the top here. Maybe not so much when it's so full. Oh dear, dear. Okay, this one's a complete mess. Oh dear, oh dear. Anyway, I will let that run down there like that and take the cup out. Now I'm going to tilt it back this way. and try to get rid of this one down here. I might actually try spit off. Okay, I'm pretty happy that's touching up. The corners where I touched. We'll let that dry. Not too happy about that, but overall I'm pretty happy. Nice and bright with the blue background. So thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel and like any other videos that you really like. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.